So talk about a shoe that's had its ups and downs. In this video, we're going to discuss the Yeezy Boost 700 Waverunner, and after the hype of this sneaker release, let's go ahead and discuss. What is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, or if you guys want to buy a pair of these, check the link in the description, and happy shopping. This is an interesting one to talk about after the hype, personally, because this is a shoe that originally, when it came out, I absolutely hated it. I thought this shoe was just atrocious, and I know that most of you guys out there probably felt the same way. We had the same feeling about the 750s when they first dropped as well. At least I did. I still don't really like the 750s. I just don't think it's something that I can personally pull off. But this dad shoe trend really, I guess, got to me, especially after having my second kid. I don't really know what it is, but I feel like that Kanye effect definitely worked. And this colorway, after seeing it for the first release, I was like, nope. Second release, I was like, yeah, I'm still glad I swerved and missed that one. Even though the resale was super lit on this shoe, like you could get a really good price for these. At some point, these are selling well over $1,000 for a pair. And then when they restock, they drop in price. With the third restock, the price actually dropped quite a bit as well. You can get them for under $400 for some colorways right now. But I personally think that after the dust settles, this is a shoe, this colorway specifically is going to go way up again because it is just one of the ones that is going to be more desirable. This colorway in itself is pretty iconic now. It's interesting how I can say that because I really didn't understand the color combinations when this came out. There was just too much going on. Two different tones of blue and green, yellow laces and hits of orange, cream midsole, gray upper. Like it just seemed like interesting. And then it was super, super wide, super chunky. And then it had a huge midsole. I just was like, this is one of the terriblest looking shoes ever. But then I saw a couple pictures on feet and I was like, those actually look like dope. I don't even know how to describe it. They look legit. And I was like, the more I looked at them, then I was like, okay, maybe I got to consider this. Then I finally got the opportunity to get my own pair with the last restock. And since I got them, I put them on feet and I wore them a handful of times. And I was like, and of course they're comfortable. They have boost in the midsole, as you can see here. And they're just really wide foot friendly. So for me, it's like a no-brainer. They're actually really, really comfortable. So, and this colorway has grown on me exponentially. So I don't know, kudos to Kanye for being the visionary that he is, because he like definitely was ahead of his time with this. For the amount of hate that he got on this shoe to the amount of love that he gets on it now, it's crazy to me. But I think that Adidas was smart in a sense for releasing this for the third time, even though the resale dropped significantly. I'm on the fence where it was a good move for them because it gave people like myself the opportunity to actually try them out, versus those people that actually paid the $1,000 for the shoe. They might not be as happy because now they're not worth that. But one thing that I wanted to show you guys is the hidden three stripes. Again, for those who have not known that, you could see that the reflective pieces right there down the middle of the shoe, as you could see, they're right in the middle. And I think that that's pretty cool how it has that three-stripe branding subtly put in the shoe. Other than that, you really don't know that they're Adidas shoes, and I think that that is also a selling point. But they're wide foot friendly. Honestly, they fit really similar to the Nike Monarch 4, which is the ultimate dad shoe, which if you guys didn't see, I did a customization of the Monarch 4 into a Waverunner. I did that for fun. Honestly, it was just an interesting concept that I ended up mocking up on my Monarch and making it like the ultimate dad shoe. But this one is actually more comfortable than the Monarch, obviously because it's boost, but they both have that same fit, really chunky and wide foot friendly. I have to say though, that out of the 1,000+ pairs of sneakers that I've had through my lifetime, there's no sneaker that I've really had that I've absolutely hated so much, but then have looked forward to the next colorway when it drops, like other than in the 700s. I feel like this is a very unique shoe because it has garnered so much attention in both directions, positive and negative, and it is talked about so much. So I believe after the hype, even though you're not getting $1,000 for this colorway because of the massive restocks that we've had, I really think that this is just one of those models that they could release more colorways of, and people will definitely be feeling it. The downside is that $300 price point. People don't want to pay it. Honestly, this shoe should be $170. Like, it shouldn't be $300 just because of Kanye's name. The price is so high. So I feel like there is a resale market on the shoe still. Obviously, you can make your money back and then a little bit, not a ton of money, depending on the sizes of the shoes, but it definitely still has some sort of a resale market. But I feel like if they release a lot more colorways of the shoe, it's definitely going to dwindle down into almost nothing because that $300 price point is just so high. So this colorway specifically, I think will stay up, but the other releases, the other V2s and stuff are going to have its ups and downs and might not be as desirable as the first colorway. Time will tell, and we will see. At the end of the day, if you guys got a pair and you're happy with them, then that's all that matters. I ended up getting a couple pairs. I ended up gifting Yoanti a pair, actually. Shout out to Yoanti again, and congrats on the engagement. But I think that this shoe was really easy to get. Yeezy Supply had them for 8 or 9 hours. Like, it was super easy to get. Adidas was actually really easy to cop as well. And I'm definitely excited to get that brownish colorway, or whatever the color is, mauve or whatever. I just think it looks really, really clean. And I'm a fan of the fall colors, as you guys already know, as I took my 350 V2 creams and then turned them into the chocolate joints. If you guys missed that custom video I did. Also, I have the other pair of the 350s that I need to customize still, so stay on the lookout for that video. But that is my thoughts. What do you guys think after the hype for the 700s? Is it something that you guys see going up or down? Is it something that you guys still don't care about? Is it too expensive? Is it just still butt ugly to you guys? Leave some comments in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, if you guys enjoy this series, smack the thumbs up button. Much appreciated if you guys do that. If you guys have any other models out there, or shoes just in general that you guys want to see a little bit of a follow-up after the hype, leave a comment and let me know which ones, and I will read those comments and then do some of those in the future. But thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new to the channel. Notification bell if you guys want to be notified of when the videos go live. More videos very soon. Peace, guys.